दशमः पाठः 10th lesson दशरथस्य तत्वचनं श्रुत्वा विश्वामित्रः अभाषत दशरथस्य of Dasharatha tat that vachanam words श्रुत्वा having heard Vishwamitra abhashata told Dasharathasya tatvachanam श्रुत्वा Vishwamitrah abhashata having heard the words of Dasharatha Vishwamitra told the following Asti Dakshinasyaam Dishayam Lankanama Nagari. Asti is Dakshinasyaam Dishayam in the southern direction. Nagari city Lankanama by name Lanka. Asti Dakshinasyaam Dishayam Lankanama Nagari. There is a city in the southern direction by name Lanka. Tatra Ravanaha Nama Rakshasaha Vasati. Tatra there Ravanaha Ravana Nama by name Rakshasaha demon Vasati resides. Tatra Ravanaha Nama Rakshasaha Vasati. There a demon by name Ravana resides. Anye Rakshasaha Ravanasya Sahayaha. Anye other Rakshasaha demons Ravanasya of Ravana Sahayaha helpers. So Anye Rakshasaha Ravanasya Sahayaha. Other demons are the helpers of Ravana. Ravanaya Vidhina Varaha Dattaha. Ravanaya to Ravana Vidhina by the creator, by Brahma. Vidhi is another name of Lord Brahma. He was the creator. Varaha, boon, dattaha was given. Ravanaya Vidhina Varaha dattaha. A boon was given by the creator to Ravana. Tena mattaha saha sajjanan pidayati. Tena, by that boon, because of that boon, mattaha intoxicated, saha here refers to Ravanaha, he, sajjanan, the noble people, pidayati, troubles. Tena mattaha saha sajjanan pidayati. Intoxicated by that boon. Tena refers to that reason. So what is that reason? That boon. So tena mattaha. Mattaha is intoxicated. Intoxicated by that boon, he troubles all the good and the noble people. Yajnasya vignakaraha bhavati cha. Yajnasya of the yajna, vignakaraha, the creator of obstruction or creator of the trouble, bhavati becomes. So Yajnasya Vignakaraha Bhavati. So he becomes the creator of the trouble for the Yajna. Yada Ravanaha Swayam Yajnasya Vignakaraha na Bhavati Tada Saha Maricham Subahum cha Pravartayati. Yada, if Ravana Swayam by himself, Yajnasya Vignakaraha, Yajnasya of the Yajna, Vignakaraha, the destroyer of the yajna, na bhavati, does not become. Yada Ravanaha swayam yajnasya vignakaraha na bhavati. If Ravana himself does not destroy the yajna, tada, then saha maricham subahuncha pravartayati. Tada, then saha, he, maricham subahum, maricha Subahum cha, so Maricha and Subahu pravartayati, instigates. So if he himself does not destroy the yajna, tada saha Maricham Subahum cha pravartayati. Then he instigates Maricha and Subahu to destroy the yajna. Tasmat tau mama yajnasya vignakarau bhavataha. Tasmat, therefore, tau, those two, mama, my, yajnasya, of the yajna, vignakarau bhavataha, become the destroyers of my yajna. Okay, so tasmat tau mama yajnasya vignakarau bhavataha. Therefore, those two demons, Maricha and Subahu, they become the destroyers of my yajna. Anye api rakshasaha mama yajnasya vignakaraha bhavanti iti. Anye, other, api, also, rakshasaha, demons, mama, my, yajnasya, of the yajna, vignakaraha, the destroyers of, or the creators of the obstacle, bhavanti, become, iti, thus. अन्ये अपि राक्षसाः मम यज्ञस्य विघ्नकराः भवन्ति. Other demons also become become the cause of creation of destruction for my yajna, or other demons also destroy or obstruct the performance of my yajna. Thus, sage Vishwamitra narrated his tale of woe to King Dasharatha. So let us now once again read the lesson. दशरथस्य तत्वचनं श्रुत्वा विश्वामित्रः अभाषत. अस्ति दक्षिणस्यां दिशायां लङ्का नाम नगरी, तत्र रावणः नाम राक्षसः वसति. अन्ये राक्षसाः रावणस्य सहायाः. रावणाय विधिना वरः दत्तः. तेन मत्तः सः सज्जनान् पीडयति, यज्ञस्य विघ्नकरः भवति च. यदा रावणः स्वयं यज्ञस्य विघ्नकरः न भवति, तदा सः मारीचं सुबाहुं च प्रवर्तयति. तस्मात् तौ मम यज्ञस्य विघ्नकरौ भवतः. अन्ये अपि राक्षसाः मम यज्ञस्य विघ्नकराः भवन्ति इति.